everyone! Today I will show you how to make a pretty little rose by paper from Ferrero Rocher with a bow, pencil, scissor, and your hand. Okay, what we need are Ferrero paper. There's 2 pieces of Ferrero paper. Here's a floor and a brown paper. And we need scissor, pencil, and the last one is a bow, or is no need to use a bow, and you can use anything you have, like a rope or another kind of bow. Before we make the rose, we have to unwrap the Ferrero paper carefully. Unwrap the foil carefully and eat the Ferrero. Then you have to clean the foil, and we will softly level the paper carefully too. Then we will go to the first step to make the rose. The first step that you have to fold the paper down. Fold the top of the paper down like this, and don't make it too flat. See? Don't make it too flat. And next, roll the right side of the paper to another side lightly. The next step, we will squeeze this area together. And then we will squeeze the bottom of the paper to make a rose branch. And we will adjust the petal. Make it bloom. After this, we will take the brown paper and fold the paper half to half, like this. Do it again. Again. And again. See? Then we have to unfold this paper and pile at the middle of the brown paper. It's not middle. Like this. And we need to increase the size of the hole by a little for the branch to be able to fit in. Like this. And the next step that we will assemble both parts together. And it's made a little bit hard because the middle of the brown paper have a little groove. And then we will adjust the brown paper. Like this, and you have to squeeze the bottom of the brown paper like this and this. Squeeze it. Then we will, the last step that we have to make a bow at this area. adjustable